Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application, and after opening the Bitget wallet, this wallet will appear where you have to unlock it at very first. And after that, you just simply have to tap into this four dots or circles into the top left corner. And after that, you just simply have to select the option of My Wallet and then tap to Delete Wallet and then tap to Yes. But before that, confirm if you would like to delete your wallet or not, because it will delete all of your local datas. And if you want to delete, then you have to tap into Yes and enter your PIN that you have set into your wallet. Then your wallet will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.